Attention students, my dignity was stolen from my Wednesday night. If you found it,